Hi, this is the second and last part of our discussion about alien existence. Summary: not many people enjoyed part 1. You know, it's like discussing the existence of God. You can say it is, you can say it isn't, and both are correct. I mean, they're not incorrect. Correct? So yes, we have no proven evidence or logical certainty, and we can say they're aliens or not. This is our opinion. This is way different from fact and your boss. But the problem is when we have equal chances to be correct if we say yes or no. If we try 1 million times, it's supposed to be near 500,000 yes and 500,000 no, or something around. This is how probability works. Yes, there are probability to be a way more different thing, but listen, now about alien existence we have 999,000 yes and 1,000 no. This is not acceptable. Why? Because all of these numbers are chosen to be what are they? They're thinking on back of these numbers. So it mustn't be like this because it's not proven that they're aliens. And yes, this is not about probability. This is about what these people choose. And I think here is where stupidity shapes. And wow, Richard Dawkins says, oh, maybe we planted by some aliens. So what? Yes, these are people who are tastemakers, but there are people too. They see what you see. Their IQ is not that real that you think. It's more about logic, and logic is nothing genetically, or is not about our ancestors. It's something obtainable and had nothing with our IQ or something. And you have to take responsibilities for your decisions. Well, that's enough for an adult to understand. What did I say? I'm not an idiot. Some people say, oh, they're silicon based, or there are so many possibilities that they're real. So I know, but what? It's not proven yet. So, and I will not make these kind of scientific videos, and I did because I thought we are not in 80-50. Thanks for watching and stay in Zoom. See you in the next video.